We're going to be reading for a sign of Pisces for the next, let's take 2 weeks from now. So, what can you guys possibly expect in your soulmate relationships? This is going to be for the month of June. So, here we go. Spirit, one card for what's coming up for the sign of Pisces overall. Overall, with Six of Pentacles, I do feel like right now you are in a very unbalanced state, but balance is definitely coming in. I believe you are taking the time away from everything, be it social life, or be it friends, be it whatever. You are taking this time alone to find balance and healing in your life. Okay, so let's me one more card for what's coming up for Pisces for the next 2 weeks. With the Hanged Man right now, I do feel like you are not in the energy to do anything. You are kind of a little exhausted. I also feel like you majorly feel that you cannot do much. You are very much stuck somewhere, mentally, physically, where like in whatsoever terms. I believe that you feel you cannot do much right now because of the, whatever circumstances that you are in, you cannot take action. So you will take the time like alone for your healing, for your finding balance in your life again. Okay, for many of you, I believe that you could be connecting with a earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. It could also be a Scorpio for some of you. It could also be a Libra for some of you. Okay, so give me one more card for what's to come for Pisces in soulmate relationships. In soulmate relationship, we have Three of Pentacles. So for some of you, I feel like you might be in a third party. You might, okay, or like 20% of you might be in a third party because we have the Three of Pentacles here. But majorly, 80% of you, I believe that your relationship, your partnership will move forward. Your person is very much physically attracted to you. They have a lot of passion about you. This person is gonna want to team up or want to put in effort into fixing this connection. I'm not going to say that like possible commitment is coming in, marriage is coming in. No, I feel your person will willingly wanna fix this or wanna be a part of this connection that you are in right now. Okay, with Emperor card, yes, this person will take control. Okay, so yeah, that was your energy. So let's start your tarot now. I hope you guys are doing well. Being a very difficult year, Pisces being a very emotional sign tends to get affected a lot. So yeah, right now with Five of Wands, you're in a very conflicting energy. Okay, you feel upset, you feel angry. You are not happy wherever you are. You are finding it hard to find balance and peace in your life. Okay, so that being said, let's start. One card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Pisces and their soulmate for the next 2 weeks. What's the overall energy going to be like between Pisces for the next 2 weeks? So right now with Nine of Pentacles, you both are focused on finding financial balance, financial freedom. Okay, I also feel like you guys are not completely wanting to get emotionally attached to each other. You guys are wanting to be around each other, but not exactly wanting to get into commitments or like emotional like connection. You guys are rather wanting to stay emotionally detached, okay, or emotionally independent. But yes, you both like this connection. Yes, you both are wanting to fix this connection. Yes, you both are wanting to be a part of the connection. Okay, so Spirit, one card for Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces now. Pisces soulmates energy towards Pisces. You both could be like working really hard on your finances. Okay, that's something I see for now. You both are very much focused on your finances as well. In terms of your partner is acting detached. They are thinking very practically, not at all thinking emotionally, but practically. Sometimes they are not so good with words. Okay, we have the King of Swords here, which tells me that this person is not an emotional person. They tend to act a lot detached and tend to think a lot practically than emotionally, and can come off as very insensitive, okay, or selfish at times. Okay, but this person does feel a connection to you. Okay, so give me one card for their intentions towards Pisces now. What's the intention going to be towards Pisces? Bottom card, we have Ten of Pentacles. So this person is going to try to find a possible balance with you. I'm not going to say commitment here because nine of okay, right now with five of cups, this person regrets not spending enough time with you. I believe with the hermit card at the bottom that this person could have ghosted you in the past, and right now they are missing you. Right now they might want to fix this connection with you, but still they are not going to come off very emotionally. They are going to come off, they're going to message you, but it is not going to be a very emotional communication. Okay, the way Pisces like, this person may not understand Pisces very well. Okay, Pisces being a very emotional sign, they tend to like communication which is a lot emotional. Okay, so I do feel that this person is not being able to connect or understand Pisces sign that well. Okay, they do miss you. They do regret not spending enough time with you. This person could have ghosted you in the past. With Nine of Wands, this person was also very much resisting from completely being a part of this connection. They were holding back. They might have also put up a drama that you hurt them, or you were the one who's responsible for the like whatever circumstances that you guys have gone through, or whatever things you guys could have gone through being part of this connection relationship. Okay, so give me one card for their action. One card for what action are they possibly wanting to take towards Pisces now. With Eight of Wands, I do see this person messaging you, communicating with you, wanting to be around you physically. Also, this person might want to be around you, might want to take action towards you. With the Knight of Swords, this person will message you very soon. Okay, this person is wanting to rush towards you. Okay, they do regret not spending enough time with you. Okay, so coming back, let's see what Pisces wants with their soulmate now. One card for what does Pisces want with their soulmate now. One card for what does Pisces want with their soulmate. Okay, here we go. You want clarity, you want communication. Okay, I do feel for some of you, you want to know where you stand in this person's life. You are not wanting to be out of balance anymore. You want to know the truth. You want this person to speak the truth. Okay, with Ace of Swords, you could want communication with this person, straight, honest communication. Okay, and you're not going to wait. Okay, I believe that you are losing your patience now. One card for how does Pisces truly feel about their soulmate in terms of feelings. Some of you could be stuck in a third party connection which you are not happy with. Okay, in terms of feelings, I believe Pisces is not wanting to feel much. They are restricting themselves. Some of you could have two choices between two people. Okay, we have Two of Swords here, which clearly tells me that you might have choices. If not choices, you guys are not wanting to feel exactly. You guys are trying to distract yourself. Okay, some of you might not even feel something right now. You guys are distracting yourself so much so that you are not really open to feelings and stuff. Okay, so in terms of how does the Pisces soulmate feel about Pisces now? How does the Pisces soulmate possibly feel about Pisces now? With Queen of Cups, this person does love you, man. I mean, come on, okay? With the Ace of Wands, this person is just not passionate but also emotional about you. It's just that they do not understand you. They do not know how to get towards you. They do not know how to fix this. This person might be a air sign, okay? I'm sorry to say this, but sometimes air signs tends to, not get the communication right, the emotional communication you would like from them. Okay, but with Ace of Wands, this person is very much wanting a restart with you. Trust me on this. Okay, so one card for what's the Pisces soulmate possibly wanting from Pisces now. What's the Pisces soulmate possibly wanting from Pisces now? With Page of Swords, this person is wanting to start communication. I do not feel that you guys in communication terms. This person is wanting to get together and start a communication, start this connection all over again. Okay, let's see what's on their mind right now. What's on their mind, Pisces soulmate, regarding the connection. This person could be a little confused right now as to how to come towards to you, because I'm not getting the cards that's needed to, let you know about it. Okay. With the Knight of Cups, this person does want to move forward towards you, but they are holding back with the Moon card. They have feelings for you, but whenever you guys communicate, I do not feel this person will open up. They will open up slowly, but they do have feelings. Okay, I will want to clarify that. Yes, we have Two of Cups, straightforward. They do think that you are their person. Okay, so how do they think about you now? One card for how do they think about you? Pisces could not be knowing what to do with this connection. They are very confused with Two of Swords. Okay. With Ace of Wands, this person is wanting to be around you physically. Okay. Wanting a fresh new start with you and wanting to be physically present with you. Wanting your attention bad with Six of Wands. Okay. So where is this connection possibly moving forward? One card for where is this connection possibly moving forward for Pisces and their soulmate given the next 15 days. Where do we see this connection possibly moving forward? With the Tower card, I do feel that you guys will speak. Okay, there will be some communication coming in. Okay, but the problem is you guys do have choices. It could either go left or it could go right. But I do feel that you guys will be at crossroads. That is, your outcome is not very clear. It could either go left or it could go right. Depends on you. Okay, the ball is in your court. You decide, darling. Okay, so one card for what's the main blockage between Pisces and their soulmate. One card for what's the blockage between Pisces and their soulmate. With Six of Cups, I do feel for some of you, you might have kids or they might have kids. If it's not the kids, it could be something like related to that you are not so happy with what they have done in the past. Okay, this person might have promised you a lot, but did not really work on it or act on it. Okay, it could also be that with Six of Cups, this is someone you already know, and given the past history, you are not exactly open to it. You guys have had some sort of history. Okay, so one card for, let's see how the Pisces watches their soulmate or sees their soulmate now. You feel like this person is someone who destroyed you or who caused you a lot of pain. You might also look at this chapter as something that's already done and something that you do not have to or want to see again or visit again. For some of you, Pisces is not exactly ready to be open to this connection, to be honest with you. Okay, Pisces do have feelings, but I feel like Pisces has had some bad history with their soulmate and is not exactly open to it. You look at it as something that's already ended and something you would not like to reopen. It has already caused you a lot of pain and you're not exactly wanting to stay open to that. Okay, so one more card for, let's see how, like what does the Pisces soulmate possibly wanting to offer Pisces now? For some of you, this person might have ended things with you in the past, and you are not exactly wanting to go, like possibly go back to that route. With Knight of Pentacles, this person is wanting to offer you a slow start. Okay, they are not going to promise you commitments and stuff. I do feel like they are wanting a start, wanting to invest into this connection, but will not tell you what exactly they want in long term. Okay, so one card for what does Pisces want to offer their soulmate now? What does Pisces want to offer their soulmate? This person could be someone who's also very financially driven, someone who gives in a lot of time towards their finances and their work life, not so much to their love life. I believe, darling, Pisces is already moving on from their person. Okay, we have the Judgment and Eight of Cups, so Pisces is not going to be emotionally present. If you're a cross watcher, I would like to tell you guys that Pisces is not going to emotionally invest into this connection because they are already walking away emotionally. Even if they communicate, I do not see them emotionally investing into this relationship. Okay, that being said, this was your reading for the sign of Pisces for the next 2 weeks. So if you have resonated, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Please note that this readings can go vice versa. This might be the Pisces doing it to you, so take it like accordingly. And if it does not resonate, It is a general reading, may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so if it has, please do hit the like button because it greatly supports my channel. So thank you so much and see you guys soon. Cheers.